Good morning, dear children. Open your EVS textbooks with the lesson number 2, Animal Rearing, page number 12. Please open your textbooks. And in our previous two video, we have seen story of animals with wild animals and domestic animals. Yes. Do you remember the story? Whose birthday was there? Lion's daughter's birthday was there. And there is a lack of grass. They decided to do the birthday of next year. Why? Monkey given an idea for if this year rain will come, the grass will grow. Some animals like deer and bisons, such type of animals, they will eat the grass very well. So lion decided all it happens of this year, then we will celebrate my daughter, lion's daughter birthday on a next year on a grand scale. Okay. And for that rabbit and monkey, they are decorating the all forest. They decided to decorate all forest. So in that way, the conversion between such type of animals. Next one, I have told you in our last class some domestic animals and wild animals name also. Next, the animals that are reared in your house are called domestic animals. What are the domestic animals? Which the animals that are reared in your house are called domestic animals. Next, do we not rear some animals but they are live in your house? Means, for examples, cockroaches, lizards, rat. These are not our rearing animals. These are not our domestic animals, but still they are living in our house. They are given here. We do not rear some animals, but they live in your house. First, there are two types of animals. First one is domestic animals and wild animals. Wild animals means which the animals lives in a forest are called wild animals, and domestic animals means the animals that are reared in your house. Examples like cat, dog, parrot, rabbit, all these are the domestic animals. And we not rear some animals, but they live in our house. I given examples of rat, cockroaches, all these are the rearing animals. Here I ask some puzzles, black body and long tail. I make a hole to creep away. I pull the cat with my lightning speed. Have you completed these puzzles in your books? Okay, write down there. First one answer is a mouse. Second one, a long body and long tail. I travel up a wall. I eat all insects very small and keep your house spike and span. Who I am is the answer is a lizard. Good. Next one, swishing my long whiskers, I run around your house. I get into corners hiding from you. Which one is animal is our pet animal is a dog. Next one, I catches insect by waving waves. You can see my kingdom in the corner of your house. Answer is a spider. On page 18, here some animals they are given, they are on the one ground. Upside of that there is a forest and here downside it they are given here village. You have to match which animal is from where. If here elephant then it comes from forest. You have to make here mark. I told in our last class also. I am repeating again this. You have to match only which are the wild animals that you have to match here the forest and which are the domestic animals you have to match with here village. Okay, the animals that live in the forest are called wild animals. Good. Turn page number 19. They are given here only some actions. Try to do that in your home. Observe the picture, use the finger to make shadows on the wall. Say the name of the animal which you observe in the shadow. Try to do it in the night while lights are off. Do the light off and make with a candle. Try to do this actions of bird, different shapes of birds. Shadows on the wall. Make the fingers and make some shadows. You will get an idea. Next one. On page 21, here some different actions I will tell the uses of animals. In a first picture, what that lady is doing, what she is doing, children, see kindly. Cow is here. One woman is milking to a cow. Next one, second picture. Dog guards our house. In third one, hen gives us eggs. Next, ox is ploughing in a farm. Farmer. Ox is useful to plough. Next one, sheep. What sheep uses of sheep is, sheep gives us wool. On page 22, here, which pet animal is this? This is a rabbit. Kamla is fond of rabbits. Her mother has given a rabbit to her to rear. Kamla feeds the rabbit every day with the grass and pets it. What's the girl name is a Kamla. She loves a rabbit and her pet is a rabbit. Her mother gives a rabbit to her rear. Kamla feeds the rabbit every day with the grass. What she gives to rabbit for eat, he gives us a grass. Next one, this is a pigeon. Salim has found a pigeon. He looks after it very carefully. He gives grain, water and takes care of us. Birds eats grain. Birds cannot eat a grass. He eats only grains and drinks the water. So Salim keeps some grains and water for the pigeon. And next one, Pintu is Lara's pet cat. What's the name of that cat is? Pintu. Pintu is a Lara's pet cat. She gives us milk every day. Cat's food is, cats love to eat milk. And so Lara gives us milk for Pintu every day. Pintu rubs against Lara's leg as soon as she comes from the school. While Lara comes from school, Pintu rubs against to her legs. It's a type love towards pet animals. So animals that reared not only for use but also to love and pet them. Or on page number 21, all these animals are the domestic animals and uses of that animals I told already. And in that way, second here, rabbit, pigeon, cat, they are not for using any, they are not any uses of this animal, but some pets animals are love and pet them. We have to love that animals. So on page number 23, look at this picture. If you feel it is correct, write mark and make it the box. If you feel it is incorrect, put cross marks. Here on page 23, see the first picture, what he is doing. Here is one boy and what he is doing, he hits a barking dog with a stick. He hits a barking dog with a stick. It is correct one? No. Make it cross mark. Second one, that boy, he is feeding a cow with a fresh green grass. It's a correct activity? Yes. You should have to give grass to our pets animals. Third one, what that girl is doing, she gives a grains to the bird. What the girl is doing, she is giving grains to the bird. Make it here right mark. Next one, man makes monkey dance for money. Have you seen in a fair, there are some different activities by using the animals such like a donkey, monkey, all they are. He is doing man makes money, monkey dance for money. It's correct one? No. Next one, catches here is one man and he catches bird in a net for selling them. He catches to the birds for selling them due to for money. It's correct? No. Next one girl is here and she loves pet and pet cat. Here is one cat and she is giving milk to that cat. He is loving to that her pet cat. It's correct? Yes. You have to love to your pets animals. On page 74. Observe the pictures and answer the questions. On picture 1, what they are doing? Cow and dog is here. They are pets, animals. What they are doing here? Question is, how do you keep your domestic animals clean? How do you keep your domestic animals clean? What do we have to do? Yes, we have to keep them by giving regular bath. You have to give a regular bath to your pet animals also. You are doing regular bath, daily bath. Yes. Same way, your pet animals, cow, dog, cat, whatever it may be, you have to give regular bath to your pet animals also. Next one, on second picture, what they are shown, here is one doctor and cow, if it fall ill. See the question, what do you do if domestic animals that are in your house fall ill? What you will do on that situation? What you have to do? You have to, we take to a vet. It is called vet. Animals doctor called a vet. VET vet. Okay. You have to call to vet. That is animals doctor for a treatment. If you are, what you are doing, if you fall sick, you are going to hospitals for the better treatment. Yes, the same way we have, if your pet animals fall sick, then that time you have to call to a vet, means animals doctor, for the better treatment of your animals, pet animals. Next one, in a last picture, what type of food do you give to domestic animal that are in your house? Which food you are giving to your domestic animals? If suppose in your house there is a cow, then what you have to give to eat? Green grass. Yes. If there is a cat, you have to give milk. Dog, you have to give different food, means chapati, roti, all these are the food you have to give to your pet animals. And now I will that way we have completed our second lesson, animals rearing. Try to solve animals name, match the all animals to forest and village animals. These puzzles try to solve in your home. And now listen here children, you have to write here, name the following. Name the three domestic animals. Which are the domestic animals? Which are the domestic animals? Cow, dog, cat. Cow, dog and cat. These are our domestic animals. Next one. Name the three wild animals. Which are the wild animals? Yes, which are wild animals? Lion, tiger and fox. Lion, tiger and fox. These are the wild animals. Next one. Two wild animals that feed on grass. In our story, they are given here some names. Yes, wild animals that feed on grass. Which are they? Elephant, zebra, and next one deer, bisons. All these are the animals which depends on a grass. These are called wild animals, but still they are depends on grass. Next one, animals that lives in forest and town. Such animals which they are living in both, in a forest also and town also. Which are they? Example is a bat. Next one, snake also. Snakes, some snakes are found in forest and as well as also in town. Next, the king of jungle. Who is the king of jungle in our story? They are told. Whose daughter birthday was there? Lion. Yes, it's a lion. The king of jungle is a lion. Next one, domestic animals that feed on grass. Which domestic animal is feed on grass? Only two animals which eats the grass. Answer is a cow and bullocks. Cow and bullocks, they are feed on grass. They need to eat grass. Okay. Next, second question. How do these help us? In our book, they are shown different pictures. I have written here word. A cow gives us milk. What cow gives us? Cow gives us milk. gives us eggs and meat. What hen gives us? Egg and meat. Third one, a sheep gives us wool. I have already explained in our book. A sheep gives us wool. A dog guards our house. What dog do? Dog guards our house. Next one, a bullock helps a farmer in ploughing field. Bullock helps a farmer in a ploughing field. These all five are uses of the domestic animals. Next, question number 3. Tick right mark if the correct answer and make cross mark with the incorrect answer. Here some examples. Here I am written. You have to say these answers. Manu hits a barking dog with a stick. If your pet animal dog is in your house and you started to bark regularly, then that time what you have to do? Yes, it's not correct. We have to hit with a stick? No. If you hit with a stick, he will again bark loudly. He can't stop that time. Next one. Kishan makes monkey dance for money. Kishan makes monkey dance for money. It's correct one? No, it's also not correct. Animals are also one type of God given, so we don't have to do such activities from the animals. Manoj feeds a cow with fresh green grass. Yes, isn't it correct? Yes, we should have to, if you have pets, then we have to give grass, green grass, fresh grass to your animals like cow, different animals you have to give them food. Next one, Anjali pets and loves her cat. I have already told if you have pet animals, you have to love them. You have to take care of your pet animals. Asma gives grains to the birds. Yes, if you seen at anywhere birds, then you have to keep some grains there and keep some water for them. Then they will eat and they will drink the water. All these are the three questions in the following. How do these help us? Uses of animals. And third one, take right mark and this. Do it for your homework. This is the revision of this lesson. All these are the homework. Write it for 2 times. Okay, in that way we have finished our second